Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about my favorite sounds. Sounds are everywhere around us, and some sounds can make us feel very special. My favorite sound is the sound of rain falling outside my window. It's a very peaceful and gentle sound. I usually hear it at night or on rainy afternoons when I'm at home, especially when I'm reading a book. I like this sound very much because it makes me feel so relaxed, calm, and cozy. It helps me sleep better.
When I listen to the rain, I feel very comfortable and safe inside my house. It also makes me think of nature, which I love.
Whiskers? Another sound I really enjoy is the sound of my cat purring when I pet her.
It's a very soft and warm sound. It makes me feel loved and happy. I think sounds can change our mood a lot. My favorite sounds definitely help me unwind and feel good after a busy day.
What sounds make you feel special? Another sound I really enjoy is the sound of children laughing. It's a very happy and joyful sound. I usually hear it when I play with my younger brother at home. I like this sound very much because it makes me feel so cheerful and light. Or when I am at the playground after school.
It helps me forget about any tiredness and makes me want to play more. I think this sound is amazing because it shows happiness. And it's contagious.
My favorite sounds always make me feel good and positive. My favorite sound is the sound of birds singing in the morning. It's a very beautiful and natural sound. I usually hear it from my garden window when I wake up. It makes me feel very peaceful and fresh. It helps me start my day calmly and feel ready for school. Sometimes I also hear it when I go for a walk in the park. I think this sound is wonderful because it reminds me of nature's beauty. And helps me relax my mind. My favorite sounds definitely bring me a lot of joy and good feelings every day. And it's not just the birds, it's how they remind me of all this beauty. It helps me relax my mind completely. These favorite sounds definitely bring me a lot of joy and good feelings every day. What are your favorite sounds? Let us know.